Now we're finna get on these bags from Delaware, map these out, cut them out, let the fun begin, because I do realize, I believe these are made of fiberglass, so we're about to kill some drill bits. But anyway, we finna get on your job, David. Money's Car Stereo. We back up and functioning. Come one, come all. The gate is open. Well, for the moment. I'm halfway in, halfway out. But I'm gonna do something today. Well, I knew that next day would come. A customer, new customer of mine from Connecticut. Well, let me look and make sure. Yeah, Connecticut. All the way on the other side. Said, Rob, let's give these a try. So, he sent me some stuff. Let's see. For his bags. Diamond Audios 6x9s. So I said to myself, well, since you know who is gone, what's the next best 6x9? According to some people who I tend to talk to, they say that this here is the latest get down. Okay. We gonna see. So this is customer's own design. So he sent it to me. So now, yep, it's just like the Hertz. You gotta make your own spacers. Because the trims from a normal 6x9, nah, they don't work out in this. So let me see something here so y'all can see what I'm saying. Well, actually, we can modify this. Okay. I can modify this. Yeah. Make the spacer do its damn thing. Yeah, Money's Car Stereo. G14 Class 5. You just see that here. Close your eyes. Yeah, we can make something work here. If not, I got some other spacers. We'll find out the fitment of it. He sent me some bags also. And it looked to be bigger. Actually, I ain't even took them out the bag yet, the box, to see what they are. But we're gonna take them out the box. I just see when the door is open, as you hear, people just tend to roll up. So we got a Diamond Audio out. Oh, the horn tweeters, okay. Tweeters. Got Diamond. This here for the spacing. And so we got people just pulling up on us, as we can see. Come to see what I can see. Hey David, we got your bags in. Hey y'all, you know, he got some extendos up in here. Made by, I forgot the company name. It was Pop Star, I don't know, Top Shop. But anyway, we're gonna drop these 6x9s up in here, them Diamond Audios, But we're gonna send him back. He ain't sent me no lids. Can't turn it on. So we just gonna talk about it and send it back and, you know, do his part. Money's Car Stereo. That's all I can say. Anyway, glass is never fun. It kills drill bits. So we finna kill some drill bits. Get this party started. Money's Car Stereo in action. I tell you, cutting fiberglass is always a headache. A lot of mess to clean up behind that. As you see, what am I watching? Anybody know? I'm just saying. Okay, we'll be cutting bag 2 tomorrow, installing speakers and stuff. Money's Car Stereo. We keep moving on. Man, all that dust. Like anything else in the world, they say, your check clears, it'll be going in the mail. Well, David, your check is cleared. We're going in the mail. Mr. Jackson, we got you.